Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Ethereum has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, RSI and divergence are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved only slightly to the upside with around 1.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $16.57. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at $16.53, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at $16.72 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. For longer price development, the daily time frame should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is in the hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around $16.57. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 46. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could remain stable, or the price will dip below it with the current price of around $16.53. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $16.45. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 52, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, owing to a bearish divergence, the price could go down from now on, or at least remain stable for the time being. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around $16.18. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the daily ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $14.83. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 61. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and the pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.